From the Tennessee Valley Weather Channel, this is your weather tonight.
Skies stay clear as we head through the overnight hours with a ridge of high pressure overhead. Light winds here because of that as well, and dry air in place. All that means that radiational cooling will be effective overnight, so we drop on through the 70s into the 60s by daybreak, and many of us into the mid to upper 60s for morning lows here with light southerly winds and mostly clear skies. And then the dry air means we also heat effectively with the sunshine on Wednesday, and this looks to be the hottest day of the week here with this little heat wave for most of us, many more of us hitting 100 or a little higher compared to what we had today. But this will be the hottest day of the weekend from here. Even though it's still hot Thursday with highs near 100, we start to back off the heat steadily as we head late week and on into the Labor Day weekend. Here's the futurecast showing mostly sunny skies still for Wednesday, but then the high pressure starts to break down a bit beginning Thursday. Not enough to get rid of the heat, but it does allow maybe an isolated thunder shower or two in the afternoon. And then beginning Friday, heading through the weekend into early next week, we start to break down the ridge further, get a frontal boundary approaching the area that increases the chances of daily scattered showers and thunderstorms, and not just hit or miss type activity. It may be a little more widespread than just your little 20-30% chance. We have a 50% chance Friday through the weekend, and we may be upping those numbers on Saturday just a little bit further with that frontal boundary near the area. Still not a guarantee everybody's going to get rain, but the chances are increasing just a little bit late week and the weekend ahead. Hot temperatures in the meantime, lower 100s Wednesday and not far from it on Thursday, but then that upper level ridge starts to break down, so we step the heat back through the 90s over the weekend. And then next week with a trough of low pressure back in the east, similar to what we had last week, we're back in the mid to upper 80s for daytime highs next week. So if we can hang on a little longer, we have some heat relief coming. Bus stop forecast in the morning, mostly clear skies between 65 and 72. For most of us, it will vary depending on elevation with the radiational cooling being so effective. Mostly clear skies staying through the day. Check that out. Most of us around 100 as kids get off the bus and head toward home by the afternoon hours. But again, tomorrow is going to be the hottest day of the week. We slowly but steadily step down from there. Maybe an isolated thunder shower Thursday. Better chances of daily scattered showers and thunderstorms Friday through the Labor Day weekend. And again, Saturday, we may have to bump the rain chances up a little bit further even than that. Daily chances continue all the way through the middle of next week as we step daytime highs out of the 90s back into the mid to upper 80s. There's look at that latest 7-day forecast. Ben Luna's back in the Weather Center tomorrow morning at 4 a.m. with your Wake Up Weather forecast.